Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie and I'm here to unbox the May 2023 Beauty Heroes box. If I don't get interrupted by my son, I will be very happy because it is bedtime and it's just a whole thing, and I'm just really hoping that he's not gonna get up and get involved and leave his room, but we shall see and we'll work through it. But please don't mind the stuff. I have like baby stuff piled up behind me because that's just how our house is. We're looking to upgrade in home in time, but the market's crazy and we just have like stuff for 3 or 4 different kids' ages. So there is a mess, and I am kind of a mess as well, but I really wanted to do this. So someday I will be more put together in the videos when I have some more time and stuff. So let's open this. I have no idea what brand it is or what the products are. I did not see any spoilers, so I'm really excited about it. I don't really have any guesses. I still really want Nini Organics to be featured sometime. I see they've brought on 3 ships. I kind of hope it's not 3 ships because I've used a little bit of their products and I haven't been overly impressed, but yeah, so I've never used Siam Seas, which I think they have, so let's just see who it is with. And like you guys know, I always love this moment where like you're just about to open it, you're gonna find out what brand it is. So let's see, it's a small box, so maybe it'll be like smaller products. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's Iuna. Haha, it's kind of tricky because they usually do Iuna around December or January the past few years, and this year I thought they weren't doing Iuna and they're doing Iuna. So let's see. Fun. Beauty Heroes featuring or in collaboration with Iuna. I wonder what product it is. Ooh, 2 products. Cool. Awesome. We have the eye serum and nectar. Cool. Oh, they're like very tiny, but we know that Iuna is very expensive, so I'm sure these are quality products. Let's find out. Okay, so it says this month we introduce the eye serum, 100% actively charged droplets that drive deeper, act faster, and deliver more immediately visible results via a powerful combination of pharma-like molecules. It is accompanied by nectar, a vivifying creamy serum that is powered by Livingstone stem cells and hyaluronic-like biosugars to enhance the Skin D effect, a firm, plump, revitalized complexion with a captivating radiance. Together, this month's discovery delivers a whole new look. Cool. Okay, so the eye serum illuminator and depuffer, 15 milliliters for $150. Here we go. All right. I'm excited. This is interesting. We got the Lilafox eye serum, eye cream, and the Ambrosia Immortalis, I believe it's called, or Immortalis. And I use that nightly, and I love that product. Ooh, this is cute. It's like a little guy. Okay, let's see. So this little guy is $150. Okay, the superpower ingredients are caffeine, B-essin fucoidins, organic lemon sublimate water, postbiotics, not pre, and beautifulness cocktail. Okay, it says, decongest the eye contour, drain under eye puffiness, and brighten dark circles with Iuna's groundbreaking eye serum, 100% crypto-encapsulated formula that precisely delivers pharma-like molecules. The novel delivery system as formula challenges conventional cosmetic chemistry by using bioavailable phospholipids to release both hydrosoluble and liposoluble molecules with greater penetrability, stability, and potency. This is a lot of words for like 9:30 at night. The phospholipids benefit from pure organic alcohol that increases permeability and absorption, then seals skin's layers to maintain stability and address transepidermal water loss. This target release seal mechanism ensures that the pure molecules from green coffee beans, horse chestnut, and brown algae-based fucoidins drive deep to stimulate microcirculation, support drainage, and inhibit enzyme activity that breaks down hyaluronic acid, elastin, and collagen up to 24 hours after initial application. Can't talk right now. Ophthalmologically and dermatologically tested and clinically proven to reduce appearance of dark circles, reduce puffiness, and increase hydration. Eye serum forces us to see eye treatments in a whole new light. We got through it. Okay. So let's see. I'll do this. Usually it takes a few pumps. Ooh, okay. So that's what it looks like. And that's the consistency. So it's not super thin. It's not like super drippy. Let's see. Oh, it does have a scent. Let's try. Ooh, it has a nice, I had like a little bronzer on from earlier today, but that was it. So, it's like a nice gel-like consistency, I feel. It's not super watery. There's one of the products I got from Beauty Heroes over the last year or two was Violets Are Blue, their eye product, which I'm nearly finished with, and I do not love it. It's a very like runny, and I don't like that. Whereas I like the more like thicker formula of the Ambrosia Immortalis from Lil Fox that we also got from Beauty Heroes. So this seems like a good, yeah, it has like a, I guess it says it had lemon or the Beautifulness cocktail. So I guess the scent is Beautifulness. Interesting. I think I'll like this. It doesn't seem too runny, so that's good. And it has this interesting little mechanism like where you can lock it and unlock it, which I don't think I have on a lot of my beauty products. Just a little observation. All right, so our second product is the Nectar. I think that I've seen this like in recent Instagram ads and stuff, and it looks, I think if this is the product, it looks really pretty, like a pretty color, but I'm not sure. All right, so this is the Vivifying Skin D Nectar. It is 15 milliliters for $78. It says vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, plays an integral role in skin protection and rejuvenation, contributing to skin cell growth, repair, and metabolism, and enhancing the skin's immune system while destroying free radicals that can cause premature aging. Another scientific breakthrough from Iuna, Nectar supports optimal levels of vitamin D with the stem cells of living stones, succulents that promote vitamin D production. We saw these featured in the 2022 Iuna product, which I can't think of the name right now, but they changed it anyway since it came out in a box. But I think the living stones are featured in that, the succulents. And hyaluronic-like biosugars to restore the feel of supple, soothed, and toned skin. Astaxanthin, a super antioxidant, has been shown to improve elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The life-giving power of cherry supplement water and the emotional impact of a proprietary aromatic blend composed of 20 essential oils further amplifies positivity and radiance that appears to glow from the inside out. So the superpower ingredients are living stone stem cells, hyaluronic-like biosugars, cherry supplement water, astaxanthin, and Lifefulness cocktail. Now, I'm pretty sure the Lifefulness cocktail is the same thing that was in that prior Iuna product. So I wonder if it smells the same and looks similar. There's a little asterisk, and I'm trying to figure out where it goes. If it went to the previous product, it says the scent of the organic alcohol, an integral part of Iuna's innovative cryptosome delivery system, is a product of biofermentation from botanical grain sources. This Iuna innovation is recognized by the Congress Cosmo Innov 2023, a global forum dedicated to exposing the latest innovations in cosmetics for its breakthrough in green chemistry. See, it has like several asterisks down here. The lingering marine scent is a result of the high concentration of fucoidins from sea algae. This must all be about the eye serum, because I think those words were all there. And then, yeah, that's about it. So there's just like a few little asterisks. So let's see about this Nectar. I'm curious how it's supposed to be used. Doesn't, a vivifying creamy serum. Okay, so it's a serum. Has a protection thing on it. I wonder if it's gonna look just like the, oh my gosh, did you see that? Squirted right onto my face. That's pretty funny. There's got a little force behind that seal. Yeah, so it's actually reminds me very much like the previous product. I don't think it's, unless it is the same one from before, where that would be funny if it's just the new, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's the same product that they gave before. It's like the exact same consistency, scent, smell, and everything. I'm confused. Is it the same one with the new name? Or is it, this might be the exact same one and they're just giving us like a smaller pot of it, which is kind of random. I don't know. So I'm actually not sure if this is the same one, because like I said, they changed the name. So now I'm wondering, was this the one from the previous box and it's now called Nectar? Because sorry, I didn't show you, or maybe I did, but it's like, that's what it looks like. It's orange. It's the same scent. And I think it's the same product, unless which is, I don't know how I feel about that. I guess, perplexed right now. We'll have to chat in the comments below about this. Okay, I'm gonna make the verdict that I think this is the product that they featured like a year ago, where we got the big thing of it, like the big ceramic tub, and now they're giving us a small one of it. I just read about the whole thing as if it was like a completely new product, but now I'm thinking it's the same one we had before. Maybe it's like, you're really supposed to be like featuring the eye serum and they're throwing that in as like a bonus, sort of. I do not know. Please chat with me in the comments below. I'm a little confused. Okay, so either way, Ayuna, that's fun. Excited about the eye product, and you know, we'll explore this again. It's funny, I actually have the ceramic one and it completely like changed. It hit its year mark because it's been a year since they put it out, and the consistency changed. It got like, it hardened up sort of, or like thickened up. So it was very true to its year expiration, and it's not, I could still put it on my face. The scent is fine and stuff, but I just have been using it as like a foot cream to finish it off, because I just have like scraping the last few layers. So I'm trying to finish it because it's like had its lifespan. The good thing with that is my mom loved it and she used it up. I would give her some and like, oh, here, try this. And she absolutely loved it. So I kept giving her some. She'd keep coming back to me with like the empty little travel pot, like, okay, I'm ready for more. Okay. And then all of a sudden I realized she almost used like all of it. So I was like, okay, let's give you a new one, like a different cream. And then I like kept the rest for myself. So she really liked that one. Sorry, my battery light came on, my battery message. So anyways, let me know what you're thinking about this box. It's pretty funny if I was like thinking this was a whole new product and then I opened it and realized it was the same one from last year. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted when the next video comes out. I would love to chat with you in the comments below about this box, what you think of it, and hopefully we can chat, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.